Hi friends, welcome to this Java Basics tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover what are the default values of primitives in Java. So primitives are basic data type in Java, and there are almost no programs which do not use primitives. Okay. So let's see what are the primitives which are defined in Java. So first one is byte, which stores, like it can store 1 byte numbers like 0, 1, 2 till 256. So basically it takes 8 bits data storage. Then short takes 16 bits data storage, which is also going to store numbers. Then we have int, which stores 32-bit long numbers. That means it can have bigger data types or data or numbers. Then we have the longest in integers is called long, which is 64-bit data storage. Then we have char, which stores a single character. We have double and float. So these take like these can store decimals and decimal type of number. For example, 14.56, simple, similar to that. Okay. And you have boolean, which can store true or false. So these are the basic Java primitives which are available to you. Now let us see what are the default values when they are declared at class level. That means if they are defined outside any method within the class, so they are available to any of the methods of the class, right? So when you do that, so what are the default values of these primitives? Let's see that. So the byte can store, or byte stores 0 if you do not mention any value. Similarly, short can store 0, or short will store 0. Int will also store 0. Long you have to say, or it will store 0L. And char is \u and followed by 4 zeros. That means it's a null character. Okay. So by default, char will store null character. Double and float both are since decimal, so double stores 0.0d and float stores 0.0f. Okay, and boolean stores false. So by default, boolean will be false. But you have to remember again that this happens only when you define at the class level. That means here is an example. There is a class called test primitives, and you declare int I and double price. So what will be the value of I? The value of I will be 0 because I is int. Okay, so default value of I int is 0. So Java will assume that I has a value of 0. Similarly, double price. So this has value of 0.0d. So this price will be stored or will be assigned a value of 0.0d. That means they are defined at class level, so they will be given some default values based on these parameters. Fine. Now let's see what happens when you declare primitives at method level. So primitives do not have values by default when declared within a method. Okay, that means if you just declare int I and do not store anything within a method, I will not get any value. So they can be declared, but using them before initialization, you will throw compilation exception. That means you can say int I, then you can say I equals to 10. That means you are storing a value of 10 to I. Okay, that means now you are initializing it. Then only you can do something like system.out.println I. That means you can use this I. Okay, so before initialization of a local variable, if you try to use that variable, you will get compilation error. So here is an example. So we are declaring I as a local variable within a method example 1, but we have not initialized it, right? We have not given any value. Now if you try to say system.out.println I, compiler will throw compiler exception. Okay, you will get compilation exception, compilation error. But at the same time, if you declare like int I equals to 10, that means you're declaring I as well as You are also initializing it with 10. This is fine for the compiler and you will not get any compilation error. It will compile fine. So friends, that is all I have in this short tutorial for default values of primitives in Java. I hope you found it useful. Please like and subscribe to my channel and provide your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you and see you soon again. Till then, take care. Bye bye.